You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. If you want to learn more confusing names from the Avatar series, make sure to stay tuned. We've got many more coming up. Stay tuned, we've got them all. Agni Kai. Agni Kai, although some may pronounce it also as Agni Kai. How do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.